Hello mga ka-kitchen! Today, let's make some refreshing cocktail drink. Let's start! So for this drink, kakailanganin natin ng iba't ibang klase ng prutas and i-chop lang natin to into a very small cubes. So I'll be using some strawberries, lemon, orange, half an apple, at panghuli, kalahati ng peras. Tapos, pagsasama-samahin lang natin to sa ating pitcher. And since cocktail drink ito, kailangan natin ng konting alcohol. So, I'll be using this Guyabano wine that I got from Sagada. 12% yung alcohol content nito, but you can use your own choice of white wine. Now, to make our cocktail even more flavorful, lalagyan natin ito ng 1 cup of orange juice. Pwedeng freshly squeezed, pwede rin naman na store-bought na. And as well as 1 cup of pineapple juice. And finally, 1 cup of Sprite. Paghalu-haluin lang natin to hanggang sa maging well combined. And gusto ko tong iset muna for at least an hour para ma-infuse talaga ng flavor ng iba't ibang prutas na hinalo natin dito, yung ating drink. Afterwards, serve it with some ice and enjoy! This is almost similar to a white sangria. Very refreshing talaga. I hope you can try this too.